Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to shine your tires the wrong way. This was achieved by trying to do them the right way, but utterly failing. I obviously know what I'm doing, so whether or not you take my advice is up to you. For high gloss, lightly mist tire wet onto clean dry tire sidewall. Let's do it then. Okay then. The thing I like to do is start at the top, because when it runs down, it's going to run down toward the other parts of the tire. So, I find it a good practice to do that. And then just get the rest. Per the bottle's instructions, you don't need to wipe it or anything, you just let it sit for 1 to 3 minutes. Back to the first tire, just have to wait 1 to... Well, I just realized something. Tire shine may have been to no avail. That was the redneck way of drying off tire shine, which, in my opinion, looks absolutely horrendous. Yep. I'll fix it later.